In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. I often change default apps when I switch between browsers or launchers on devices I'm testing or using on my own. If you want to do the same, first of all go into Play Store and download any app you wish to set up as your new default one. In my case, Firefox browser. When your new app is ready, exit Play Store and go into Settings. Scroll to Hid Apps. Here, and tap on Choose Default Apps at the top. Now it's time to select one of those sections you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Last but not least, tap on an app you wish to apply as your new default one. And when you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Those settings will give you full control over your device. So if you want to change all of those, go ahead. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!